plastic prying tool or flathead screwdriver. Find this space here, then reach in, then pull out. From here, you just rotate this counterclockwise. Then you can take this off. This uses a T10 bulb. This is an LED. To take it off, you just unplug it from its socket and take it out. To put it back on, you just align it. Some bulbs are polarity sensitive, so if at first it doesn't work, pull it out again, then twist the other way, then insert, then test. To put it all back together, just reverse process. Put it back in, align it, then twist clockwise. Make sure it's secure, then put it back in. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped.